quantum dot mini LED, 4K 144Hz, VRR, auto low latency mode, FreeSync Premium Pro, Dolby Vision IQ, and 2.1 channel Onkyo speakers. What is this madness? It's just the beginning of 2024 and we are starting it off with a bang. We have an exciting product in the house, guys. TCL's new TV recently launched in the Indian market. Model is called a C755, and as I've told you just now, it's got like killer specs and configuration at a very attractive price point. TCL is definitely giving like a tough competition in the market in 2024. So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about the product and check out all of its features. And by the way, before you people forget, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and click the notifications bell icon, guys, so you people can watch all these videos as soon as I post them. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. It came in a huge box packaging and there was no way I could do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. Our brand new TCL TV came in this sort of box packaging, and as I've told you, it's a new model recently launched in the Indian market, and this is a 4K quantum dot mini LED full array local dimming TV. Plus it's a Google TV, guys. Plenty of features are there. We'll be talking about all these features in the video. Quickly unboxing it, we actually have some accessories at the top side which include a mains cord for the TV, a user manual, just make sure to read this. Plus, you're also getting two AAA batteries for the remote, some installation screws for the TV stand, and a 3.5mm to RCA cable is also included. And boys, this is the TV remote you get in the package. Looks pretty nice, right? Brushed metal sort of finish, but body is actually made of polycarbonate. We'll get back to the TV remote in a moment. And lastly, you're also getting some TV stands, also gunmetal grey finish. Beautiful looking design. Anyways, now let's finally check out the product we've been waiting for. Our all new TCL 55 inches C755 model, guys. Our very first hands-on and initial impressions at this TV. Oh boy. Now that looks beautiful, right? It's a 55-inch variant. It's available in lots of different sizes. Even goes up to 98 inches also. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. So boys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been a couple of days we've been testing this TV at my place, and today in this video I will be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model. I'm pretty sure you people have lots of questions about the picture quality, audio quality, and also its gaming related features, right? I believe all of those questions will be answered in this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. First of all, let me give you like a closer look at this TV and talk about the design and build quality part. As I've told you, this is TCL's 55 inches C755 model, brand new model, guys, recently launched in the Indian market, and it's a 4K resolution mini LED quantum dot LED TV that also supports full array local dimming. This particular model is available in different sizes, 50 inches, 55 inches, 65 inches, all the way up to 98 inches also. The one we have today in the house is the 55-inch variant. And first of all, talking about the design, TCL C755 has a premium and elegant looking design. First thing you'll notice as soon as you power it on is how slim the bezels are on this TV. It's got a three-sided narrow bezel design, especially on the sides and the top. On the bottom, you do have a little bit of chin. There's a tiny TCL logo at the center, and that's it, guys. Very clean and modern looking design. Having a closer look at the stands, you're getting this gunmetal grey finish stands to match up with the overall theme. And yes, the TV is also wall mountable. So what I'll do is I'll quickly turn around the TV and talk about the back profile as well. Overall build quality of the TV is nice. Entire back panel is made of polycarbonate material, and not to forget, at the beginning I've told you, right, this TV comes with like a special audio system on board. You're getting 2.1 channel Onkyo Max sound system, and you can definitely observe that woofer unit at the back side. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. First of all, let me show you all the available connectivity ports on this particular model. Plenty of connectivity ports are available. Starting off from the top side, you're getting two USB ports, out of which one is a USB 3.0 as well. One Ethernet LAN port is also there, and look at this, you're getting 4 HDMI ports. Now out of these, only 2 support high refresh rate. Keep in mind, HDMI 1 supports 4K at a max refresh rate of 144Hz, and the second HDMI 2 port supports 120Hz. Remaining 2 only have like 60Hz support. Followed by, there's also an RF antenna port available, a service port is there, 3.5mm headphone jack is available, and lastly, digital optical out. So that was about the design and build quality part. Now let's quickly jump into the home screen and talk about the built-in apps, features, and also UI. First thing, as I've told you guys, TCL C755 is a Google TV, and here's how the home screen looks like. It's got a very clean, minimalistic, and modern sort of UI, and has lots of different categories and sections. At the home screen, you can check out the For You section, which basically gives you like recommended and personalized sort of content depending on what sort of content you keep watching. And yes, it automatically keeps updating every once in a while. So below that you can check out all your OTT related apps. Plenty of apps are there, and most of them actually came pre-installed with the TV. You're getting Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video is also there, Disney Plus, Hotstar, and all these apps are available, guys. And apart from that, if you go on the bottom side, right, plenty of recommendations are available. As I've told you, they keep automatically changing once in a while. Moving on, you've got a movies section, TV shows recommendations, and this one is your app section. From here you can download all your favorite apps and games, because this is a Google TV, right? Plenty of collection is available. And as I've told you guys, I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, and overall TV experience has been good. And if you talk about the performance is also nice. As you can see, the overall TV UI, navigation on the home screen, and even opening and closing of apps, everything was like butter smooth. I didn't face any sorts of lags and stutters, and had like a pretty satisfactory experience, I would say. Let's quickly head over to the settings and talk about all the picture and audio settings available on this model as well. Before jumping into the display and picture quality settings, yes, the TV has support for dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band support is there. And now coming to the display section, here you will find plenty of things. TV also has intelligent picture and audio settings, which will automatically apply optimized results depending on the type of content you're watching. And going to the picture settings, plenty of picture modes are there, like standard, vivid, HDR mode. Sport mode is also available for people who watch a lot of cricket or these sort of sports, so you can choose from all these available things. And guys, one more thing I forgot to talk about is TV has this special feature known as dynamic acceleration. So usually the native refresh rate of this TV is like 144 Hz, right? By enabling this dynamic acceleration, it will smartly increase the refresh rate up to 240 Hz, but at 1080p resolution. So you can definitely do like a really smooth esports sort of gaming on your PC. We'll talk about that during the gaming review part. Right now though, let's also check out the sound settings available on this model. Plenty of sound settings are also there, different sound modes to choose from. And yes, the TV also supports Dolby Atmos, DTS Virtual X surround sound experience is also there. And as I've told you, speaker setup is like quite special. You're getting a 2.1 channel OnQ Max system, that too with up to 60 watts of audio output. So that was basically our complete overview on the built-in apps, UI, and also general settings available on this TV. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up some OTT related apps, maybe like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, play some content for you people. Just have a look at that, and after that I'll be back to share my experience on the picture and sound quality of this TV. Very exciting video, guys, and the watch also has like interesting features. It comes with like a beautiful Retina AMOLED display. As I've told you, supports 4G eSIMs as well. Apart from that, Bluetooth calling is also there, and crazy part is it also has like built-in GPS plus blown. As I've told you, I've been using this TV for the last couple of days, and I've watched a variety of content, 4K videos on YouTube, movies on Netflix, and even a couple of web shows on Amazon Prime Video. And picture quality on this particular model was actually impressive, guys. First of all, let me tell you about the specs and details of our particular variant in the house. As I've told you, this is TCL C755, available in different sizes. We have the 55-inch variant, and this is a 4K quantum dot mini LED full array local dimming TV. Come on, native 4K resolution at 55 inches was producing crisp and clear detail no matter what sort of content you're watching on any sort of platform. And first of all, let me tell you about the backlighting technology. A lot of people do not seem to know the difference between edge lit TVs, direct LED TVs, and full array TVs. As I've told you, this particular one is a premium full array mini LED TV. In full array TVs, right, there are lots of mini tiny LEDs stacked across the entire TV panel, and the TV can smartly control all these zones individually, guys. Thus, it offers much more precise and accurate backlight control. This will definitely improve the overall contrast ratio, offer deeper black levels, and also reduces the blooming effect which you might see on a lot of mid-range or budget sort of TV. So yes, it is much more superior superior compared to your edge lit or even direct LED TVs. And talking about the colors, not to miss out, it's a QD-LED TV. It literally has a quantum dot layer on the front, and when light strikes these quantum dot particles, they produce beautiful and strikingly vivid colors capable of producing up to 1 billion color range. And this particular model supports up to 96% DCI P3 color gamut range. And overall color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point, even including skin tones, guys. And overall experience has been nice. And you might even ask about the panel type, right? This particular model C755 features a VA panel. It's a good quality 10-bit VA panel. Brightness of the TV is also good. I've watched variety of content, both standard definition and also high dynamic range content as well. Typical brightness value is around like 590 600 nits. And if you talk about HDR related content, TV can offer peak brightness value of up to 1250 1300 nits as well. So especially when you're watching HDR 10 plus content, or it even supports Dolby Vision IQ, right? So these sort of content on Netflix or Prime Video was like really good, guys. You will definitely enjoy watching movies on this TV. And if you talk about the viewing angles are also good. It has a wide viewing angle experience, 178 degrees, and picture looks pretty much the same no matter from which angle you were viewing. Keeping that aside, now let's talk about the audio experience over here. As I've told you, TCL C755 features a 2.1 channel OnQ Max system with up to 60 watts of sound. It basically has like downfiring stereo speakers and a dedicated woofer at the backside. And overall audio experience has been pretty good. I've watched variety of content, as I've told you, a couple of YouTube videos, movies as well on Netflix and Prime Video. All the dialogues are crisp and clear, audible and easily understandable as well. Plus it actually had a little bit of bass, all thanks to that dedicated woofer at the backside. You know, it kind of felt like you're getting a dedicated sound bar built into this TV. For a day-to-day sort of usage, you know, casual movie watching experience, the built-in speakers are like more than enough, guys, and will definitely satisfy your needs. Unless you're an audiophile who's looking for a realistic 5.1 or 7.1 experience with a dedicated AV receiver, the speakers on board will definitely get your job done. One more thing I've actually seen in the comment section is people are confused which TV should they go for. Should they go for QLED TVs or should they buy OLED TVs? And let me tell you, both of these are like different technologies, guys, and both have their own ups and downs. If you're strictly talking about picture quality on both the TVs is pretty nice, but OLED TV slightly edges out the competition because they offer like true deep black levels and better contrast ratios. But again, if you look at the QLED TVs, right, QLED TVs can go really bright. They can offer up to like 1500 nits of brightness also, which OLED TVs cannot offer, guys. And one more thing you might be very familiar, right? OLED TVs are slightly a bit, harder to maintain because they have something known as screen burn-in issue. So maintenance is slightly a bit difficult over here, and you'll need to handle it with much more care. But these sort of screen burn-in issues are nowhere to be seen on QLED TVs, guys. So these are much more user-friendly, I would say. And one more biggest factor I can talk about is the price. OLED TVs are like very expensive and not everybody can afford them. And QLED TVs are much more affordable. And strictly if you talk about price to performance ratio, right, I believe QLED TVs offer much more value for money. I hope this has definitely answered your question. Alright, I know you people are waiting for this part, so let's talk about its gaming related features. It's got some crazy next level gaming features, especially for a TV around this price point, guys. First of all, you're getting a super high refresh rate of up to 144 Hz at its native 4K resolution. On top of that, it does have support for VRR, which stands for variable refresh rate. Auto low latency mode is also there, and best of all, it does support AMD's FreeSync Premium Pro. So all of these combined, you can expect some really good gaming experience over here. I've played a variety of games on both consoles as well as PC as well. Mostly I was playing on my gaming PC because all hail PCMR, right? I mean, look at this buttery smooth movement, no sort of screen tearing, no ghosting. Even the input lag was very minimum. When you enable auto low latency mode and all the other gaming features, right, input lag on this TV was around like 6 to 7 milliseconds only. Not to miss out, you're also getting some TCL related gaming features like Game Master 2.0 with a dedicated game bar as well, which you can use to access some game picture modes. Crosshair option is also there for FPS related games. And one more thing I forgot to talk about is this particular TV also has a secret hidden enhanced refresh rate mode. So simply go to your picture settings, and in the advanced settings, right, when you enable this dynamic acceleration, bam, Now instead of 144 Hz, TV is capable of pushing up to 240 Hz refresh rate. That is crazy, especially if you're like an esport gamer who would like to game on a big screen, right? This might be the right model for you. Again, though, keep in mind that this 240 Hz refresh rate is at 1080p resolution. At 4K, it's got a native refresh rate of only 144 Hz. But still, it is definitely a big win, I would say. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our video on TCL's all new C755 55 inches 4K quantum dot mini LED full array local dimming TV. It's a beautiful TV, guys. You're getting premium look and feel, all the features you might be looking for. Really good quality display that supports Dolby Vision IQ, IMAX enhanced as well. Excellent gaming features including 144 Hz refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, FreeSync Premium Pro, and the list just keeps on going. Only thing if I had to nitpick is TV doesn't have on-board far-field microphones for a hands-free Google Voice Assistant experience. Anyways, that's it. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you ask about the pricing for our variant 55 inches costs around 74,990 rupees in the Indian market. Links for that will be available in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all got complete information about the TV and the model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.